Dear students, in the last video I told you about the causes of the first struggle of freedom. Some causes I told you as political reasons, attack on Indian languages, culture and its traditions, economic reasons. Now today I am going to tell some more causes such as social and religious reasons. The social and religious policies of company government caused a lot of discontent among Indians. Indians developed an apprehension that company government was bent upon destroying their religion and traditions. Major Edward's statement was the ultimate aim of the British rule was to make India a Christian country. अंग्रेज़ों का जो उद्देश्य था वो हमारे देश को एक क्रिश्चियन कंट्री बना देना चाहते थे। ये एक प्रमुख कारण था जिसके वजह से हमारे भारतीयों ने विद्रोह किया। कंपनी गवर्नमेंट मेड मेनी लॉज एंड टुक मेजर स्टेप्स टू eradicate the social evils prevailing in India. Indians considered this as an interference in their social life. Spread of Christianity, enticement of Indians for conversion to Christianity, Christian education in educational institutes were the reasons which caused discontentment among Indians. The next reason, discontent among soldiers. Owing to the policies of company government, there was a lot of discontent among soldiers. Although the existence of company government solely dependent upon Indian soldiers, the Indian soldiers were meted out unfair and discriminatory treatment. Indian soldiers were denied promotions. They were paid less remuneration as compared to their European counterparts. European officers looked down upon Indian soldiers due to religious constraints. Indian soldiers were not inclined to cross the sea, yet they were forced to sell and participate in wars. Besides this, Indian soldiers were an integral part of the Indian society, therefore the sufferings of rurals, landlords, farmers, craftsmen affected them as well. Company government had forbidden Indian soldiers to apply tilak on their forehead, keep a choti, mustache and beard. These restrictions hurt the religious feelings of soldiers. As a result, discontent was on rise among various sections of the society against the foreign rule. Around the same time, a new rifle was introduced. Its cartridge had cow fat and pigs lard out it while loading the cartridge in the rifle. The cartridge needed to be cut with the teeth at the corners. Indian soldiers did not want to use such cartridges, which became immediate reason for the revolt. Now, immediate reason. On 29th March 1857, a soldier named Mangal Pandey refused to use the loaded cartridge and shot a British officer in a fit of anger. Mangal Pandey was arrested and executed on 8th April 1857. Mangal Pandey was the first one to sacrifice his life in the revolt. Now, major events of the freedom struggle. The Bairakpur incident was repeated in Meerut too. About 85 soldiers of Indian cavalry refused to use loaded cartridge. As a result, they were dismissed from the army and were imprisoned on 9th May 1857. As a reaction to their dismissal, other soldiers in Meerut on 10th May 1857 openly confronted the government by breaking into the prison and liberating the arrested soldiers. They then marched towards Delhi and took control of Armory. The soldiers declared Bahadur Shah II as the Emperor of India, who wrote letters to various rulers of India seeking their support. This is how this revolt took place. So, students, these are the reasons of the first freedom struggle of 1857.